3, let's go!
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about measurements. We use measurements every day in our daily life. Whether we want to know how tall something is or how heavy something is or how much do we need something, we are actually measuring. Now, what are measurements? To determine the size, length or amount of something, we use measurements. For example, how tall is this building? Can you pour me 1 glass of milk? This recipe requires 1 kg of flour. In all of these examples, we are actually measuring something. The first example of measurements is length. Length is how long, wide, or tall something is. It helps measure height, width, or distance. Measuring length. The SI unit or the standard international unit for measuring length is meter and its symbol is M. For shorter lengths, it has small units like centimeter, cm, millimeter, mm. For measuring large distances, it has larger units like kilometers, km, or miles. For example, this book is 20 centimeter long. We still need to travel 5 kilometers. Mass. Mass refers to the amount of matter in an object. It can be measured with the help of scales or even a spring balance. The standard unit for mass is kilogram and its symbol is kg. For measuring smaller quantities, we use milligrams, mg, and grams, g. For measuring larger quantities, we use tons and megatons. For example, I need 25 grams of sugar for this recipe. The order was for 4 tons of raw material. Time. The standard unit for time is second and its symbol is S. Other units used are minutes, hours, or milliseconds. Stopwatches are used to measure small time intervals. Longer time intervals are calculated in days, weeks, months, or years. Heat and temperature. The hotness or coldness of a substance is measured by temperature. Temperature is measured in 2 scales, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. Each scale has 2 fixed points, highest and the lowest. Celsius scale. It is more widely used. It has 2 fixed points, 0 degrees Celsius, the melting or freezing point of water, and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. A thermometer is used to measure temperature, and mostly 2 liquids are used in thermometers. The mercury freezing point is minus 39 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 360 degrees Celsius. And the alcohol freezing point is minus 112 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Kelvin. The Kelvin symbol K is the SI unit of thermodynamic temperature. The Kelvin scale is designed so 1 Celsius degree and 1 Kelvin are exactly the same. If you have any queries or any questions, feel free to comment below and I will answer. In the meantime, I hope you have understood the topic measurements. Thank you for watching. Bye.